Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where to and how to migrate a website from Bluehost hosting to Hostinger hosting. So first of all, you need to have a Hostinger, some type of hosting. So for example, this one or any which fits you. Now I don't have it, but this will still show. So basically you're gonna go to Hostinger on homepage, and here it is. Migrate your website from another provider. So you just click here. Now you're gonna choose a domain which you want to migrate and copy the URL, and you will basically enter the information to Hostinger here. So when you copied it, basically you will need to enter the name of the website you want to migrate, and so your domain. And if your website is WordPress based, it just will be automatically detected. And that's basically how you do this. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.